Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture where we will learn sentiment analysis. Today, we will explore what sentiment analysis is, the different approaches, and why sentiment analysis is important for understanding consumer behavior and improving business strategies. Toward the end, I will also guide you on how to conduct sentiment analysis using machine learning on Excel. If you are ready to turn opinions and reviews into actionable insights, then let's get started. Companies now have access to more data about their customers than ever before, presenting both an opportunity and a challenge, analyzing the vast amounts of textual data available and extracting meaningful insights to guide their business decisions. From emails and tweets to online survey responses, chats with customer service representatives and reviews, the sources available to gauge customer sentiment are seemingly endless. Sentiment analysis, or opinion mining, is the process of analyzing large volumes of text to determine whether it expresses a positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. For example, a positive tweet about your product signals consumer satisfaction. A negative product review suggests dissatisfaction or frustration. A neutral comment might be informative without emotional engagement. Sentiment analysis is highly relevant for businesses due to its ability to provide actionable insights from large volumes of customer opinions. There are several reasons why it is important. With more ways than ever for people to express their feelings online, organizations need powerful tools to monitor what's being said about them and their products and services in near real time. Businesses can better understand how customers feel about their products or services. This feedback is vital to measuring customer satisfaction and identifying areas for improvement. Sentiment analysis helps in tracking brand perception across social media, blogs, forums, and review sites. If a negative trend appears, businesses can respond proactively to prevent damage to their reputation. By analyzing customer feedback, companies can identify common pain points and improve their service processes. Prioritizing responses to negative reviews helps businesses resolve issues faster. By examining what customers like or dislike, businesses can make data-driven decisions to enhance product features, services, or user experiences, increasing overall customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sentiment analysis helps to gather insights about customer preferences, competitors, and trends, helping businesses stay competitive and innovate based on real-time data. Now, let's look at the two major approaches to sentiment analysis, rule-based and machine learning-based. Rule-based sentiment analysis relies on a set of manually defined rules to classify the sentiment. These rules are often based on predefined dictionaries of positive and negative words, as well as simple grammatical structures. For example, words like good, excellent, and amazing are flagged as positive. Words like bad, terrible, or poor are marked as negative. Rule-based sentiment analysis is simple to implement and transparent due to explicit rules, but it struggles with complex sentences, sarcasm, context-specific meanings, and scalability as text volume increases. Machine learning-based sentiment analysis trains models using large data sets labeled with sentiments, positive, negative, or neutral. Instead of using rules, the algorithm learns patterns in data to make predictions. For example, a model is trained on thousands of movie reviews to predict whether a new review is positive or negative based on the language used. Machine learning-based sentiment analysis is more accurate and scalable than rule-based methods. It can understand context, nuance, and complex sentence structures. Now, let's walk through how to perform sentiment analysis using machine learning in Excel. First step is install Sentiment Analysis add-in. Go to the Add-ins tab in the Excel ribbon and click More Add-ins. In the search bar, type Sentiment Analysis. Select the Sentiment Analysis add-in from the search results, click Add, and accept the terms. The add-in will now be available in Excel. Second step is prepare data for analysis. For this example, I've taken customer reviews of Blinkit, a last-mile delivery startup in India. You can download reviews from Blinkit app, Google Play Store, or social media pages. Copy and paste the reviews into your Excel workbook. Please ensure that each review includes relevant details like customer, date, and the full review. You should avoid reviews that are too short, 1 or 2 words, and focus on meaningful feedback. Third step is run sentiment analysis. Now, select all the reviews and click the sentiment analysis icon. A side panel will open. Click on Advanced option, and under Review Type, select Product Review instead of the default Movie Review. Now, click Analyze to begin processing. Fourth step is Analyze results. After processing, 2 new columns appear, Label and Sentiment Score. The Label column shows star ratings from 1 to 5. Where 1 star indicate highly negative, 5 stars indicate highly positive, and 3 stars show as neutral. The Sentiment Score reflects the same trend, with values closer to 1 indicating positive sentiment. Step 5 is Identify strengths and weaknesses. Now, you have to read all the reviews carefully and thoroughly. Categorize the strengths and weakness highlighted in each review. For example, weaknesses are service delivery, surge charges, wrong order, poor customer service. Strengths are fast delivery, variety, packaging, etc. Write these strengths and weaknesses in the columns. Step 6 is Count star ratings and summarize. Count the number of reviews for each star rating to gauge the overall customer sentiment. Create the graphical representation of counts. This seems more attractive and clear. Now, summarize the most common strengths and the most common weaknesses. Also count their frequencies. This will help the brand understand what's working well and where improvements are needed. By using machine learning within Excel, you now have a simple and scalable method for performing sentiment analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.